We're going to do a brief video on S&P 500 day trading, and we've got a S&P 500 E-mini futures contract here for a daily chart for the Chicago Mercantile Exchange E-mini futures. It's got a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. The S&P's up 86 points right now as we talk at about 10:15 on Monday morning the 17th, and we're going to show you some day trading algorithmically generated prices you can use, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea. These are all for entertainment purposes only, but we're showing for the 17th this morning a short of 36.97 on the E-mini futures. Now this is a 30-day hold, but often you can, when the market's as volatile as it is today, you can use these, of course, for entertainment purposes only. You got to use your own analysis, but you can take a look at these for entertainment and see where you are in terms of your own ideas. 36.97 is $1.50. Point and a half off of the high. The high today is 36.96, and the market's already sold down a little bit. Last is 36.84. So this is a really good area for shorting today, and of course it's hit just below it and has moved back down over 10 points. So it's just an example of how you can look at these and use them. Let's go down and take a look at the non-trend following systems. If you're going to use day trade for S&P 500 for entertainment purposes only, you would use our 1-day hold for the buys and our 2-day hold for the shorts. You're not going to see a 1-day hold short in this ever, but you do see 2-day holds for the shorts and 1-day holds for the buys. You can see for the 1-day hold buy today here, you've got 35.60. The market low today is 35.90, so it has not got there yet. It may get down there, but the way these would work for day trading is, you, assuming your own analysis says this was a good idea, you get in and get out the same day at roughly these prices, again using your own judgment, your own entry prices that you come up on your own analysis. But these are for entertainment purposes only, and often they'll trade through these prices and they hypothetically are profitable a lot of days on the same day that you put them in. That's the 1-day column for the buys, the 2-day column for the shorts. As you can see today, no shorts, just putting out buys in this non-trend following section. The other section I showed you first is a trend following section. You can get access to all of these prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. As a practical matter, the S&P 500 great for day trading, hypothetically. Same thing for the forex pairs. Same thing for crypto. If you trade crypto, we got some great intraday trading for crypto. Let me show it to you real quick. If you're interested in crypto, here's Bitcoin's what we cover. It's got a short out today at 1900 for the 1-day. Sometimes these are really good for entertainment purposes only. Just take a look at those every morning, and if you trade crypto. And then also the stocks, you can short-term trade the most liquid stocks. Same thing. There's 1-day entry prices for the stocks. If we go up here, same thing. You see they're buys only on this non-trend following system. This is for this morning, the 17th. You trade Apple, Tesla, and so forth. These big high dollar stocks. You might want to take a look at these again for entertainment purposes only, but it would be the 1-day column for the day trading ideas that you could get there. You can get them all absolutely free, no credit card required. rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Just go over there, put your email address in, and get signed right up for immediate access. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a great comment, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our information for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.